inspiration. A foundation still important today, the process of sharing words strung together that help point out the way, the many voices within each page. Turn pages from the past that resonate with you today. Turn pages today that create an escape within your mind. Turn pages that express the treasure within your tomorrow. Turn pages that hold a future for you to follow. We are turning pages.
My name is Kibrom Milash. I am a restaurant owner, which is Ethiopian and Eritrean restaurant in Boise. I was born and grew up in Ethiopia, north part of Ethiopia, which is called Megala. And when I was a kid, I was helping my dad, and he was a businessman. And I grew up just with maths because I was helping in his store and in his groceries. This is a book that I like and which is connected with my life, and it says The Boy Who Harnessed the Wind, which is written by Kamkwamba and Bryan. If you read on the page it says about how he found the books. He found science books filled with brilliant pictures, which with his English dictionary closed by. William put together how engine moved those big trucks and how radios pulled their music from the sky. But the greatest picture of all was a machine taller than the tallest tree with blades like a fan. And then after that, he closed his eyes and saw a windmill outside his home, pulling electricity from the breeze and bringing light to the dark valley. When I connect this with my life, because since I came from the refugee camp, when I came here, it was like dark for me. It was like very, very dark because we were new for Boise and for America. And after that, we had to work hard, and we got some helps from the agencies and from our friends, our American friends. But it was still very, very hard for us to survive. By working hard, and just finally I opened the restaurant after 2 years. That was really good experience for me and for my wife, and even for my for the community. People love it, and we love Boise community also because they are very helpful and good people. And in my restaurant, I go through a lot of matters. I have to calculate all the sales. I have to calculate when I purchase stuffs from stores. When I was a kid, when I helped my dad on just doing the maths on the sales and the expenses, one problem that if I couldn't solve the problem, I would just like to leave that problem out and just to stop it. And I was giving my rest for myself, and then after a while or after one day, I have to go back to solving that problem very easily. If we can't solve the problem, we have to stay away from that problem for a while, and then just after, when we come back to do it again, it will be very easy to solve it. My name is Kibrom Milash. This is what mathematicians do.